Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable IMAP in Gmail so you can access your emails across multiple devices with perfect synchronization. Whether you're using your phone, tablet, or desktop, IMAP ensures everything says sync effortlessly. Let's begin. First, open your Gmail account using a web browser on your computer. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. Now, from the drop-down list that appears, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings dashboard where you can access detailed configuration options. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This is where Gmail lets you control how your emails are handled by other devices and apps. Next, scroll down a bit until you reach the section titled IMAP Access. Here, check if IMAP is already enabled. In most cases, it is, but if it's not, simply click the Enable IMAP. This feature is what allows your email to stay updated across all your devices. Once enabled, any message you read, delete, or move will instantly reflect everywhere you access Gmail. After turning it on, make sure to scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. Without saving, your IMAP settings won't apply. And that's it. IMAP is now active for your Gmail account, letting you manage your inbox more efficiently from any device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.